Picture the last time you wrote something at work. What was the deadline? When did you start? When did you finish? What did you do first? How long did it take? What was the result? And how did you feel? Most of us think that writing is just one step. We sit down and we write. However, it's actually a lot more complicated than that. Writing is a series of tasks, steps, and deadlines. It's a process. You might be asking yourself, why is Elizabeth making such a big deal about process? It's not like I'm writing the next great novel here. I'm just writing an email to my coworker. Well, that's true, but there's 3 reasons why making your writing a process is so important. Number 1, when we know the steps we have to take, the tasks we have to complete, and the timeline to complete them, we can replicate that process and set ourselves up for success. Number 2, when we make writing a process, we can reduce uncertainty around it. We have less anxiety about how our reader's going to react and what the result's going to be. Number 3, when we make writing a process, we learn more about our own habits and behaviors as a writer. For example, I work better under pressure. That's when my creativity comes out. But that means I need to set myself up in terms of my timeline and how I communicate with other people. For example, if I'm working on a team project, I'll have to let everyone know that I like to do things later, so they don't freak out and think I'm going to miss my deadline. Or if I have a really short deadline, I've got to adapt that process because I always want to have plenty of time to polish my writing. So that's what I've done for you in this set of videos. I've broken the writing process down into 3 simple steps for you to follow. Number 1, planning. Number 2, producing. And number 3, polishing. I'll explain the benefits and tasks of each step. And at the end of this section, I've linked a helpful worksheet that you can use the next time you're writing. So let's dive in.